Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Toziyat Rahman, and today I will walk you through an analysis of influenza mortality trends in the United States from 2009 to 2017. We'll look at which age groups are most affected, how rates vary across the states, and even a short-term forecast to help inform public health planning. Let's dive in. In this slide, you can see a heat map. This heat map shows total flu deaths rate year for every age group, with darker colors indicating more deaths. You can see the darkest square belong to those age 85 and older. Over 26,000 deaths in peak years, while children under 5 and teens 5 to 14 show the lightest colors. In short, mortality is heavily skewed toward our oldest adults. Here's a line chart. This multi-line chart tracks annual flu deaths for each age group over time. The top brown line is 85 cohort. It rises to a peak around 2013 before dipping slightly. The 65 group in purple climbs steadily. All younger groups hug the bottom with relatively flat trends. Again, our oldest adults bear the brunt of flu mortality year after year. Here's a forecasting chart. I use Tableau's built-in model. I have projected one more year, 2017, for each age group. The shaded bands show the forecast interval. We see a predicted uptick for 85 plus and 65 to 74 groups, suggesting that without intervention, mortality among seniors is likely to remain high. Here's a choropleth of flu deaths per 1 million population by state. Dark red states like Alaska and northern plains like North Dakota have the highest per capita death rates. More populous states, California, Texas, appear lighter, meaning that once we adjust for population size, their death rates are comparatively lower. I have layered population bubbles in the same map. The fill color still shows deaths per 1 million, while white circle scale to each state's total population. You can see California's massive circle but lighter shade, high absolute deaths but a moderate rate, whereas Alaska's small circle in deep red, highlighting a high rate despite a small population. Finally, this bar chart described all flu deaths over 9 years by state. California leads at nearly 57,000 deaths, followed by New York 44,000 and Texas 30,000. At the bottom end, North Dakota and Vermont each report under 6,000 total deaths. This cumulative view highlights where the absolute burden is greatest. In summary, our analysis underscores two key takeaways. First, adult age 65 and older experience the vast majority of flu deaths. Second, per capita, mortality is elevated in certain less populated or northern states. Forecasts indicate this pattern will continue, so targeted vaccination campaigns and resource allocation towards seniors and high-rate regions could save our lives. Thank you.